Assalamualaikum and hello to fellow viewers. In this lab experiment, lab 5, power and power factor in three-phase circuit, we are given an example of three-phase circuit and we have to follow the procedure to conduct this lab experiment. So basically we have to draw the circuit into multi-scene and set the R1, R2 and R3 into 950 ohm and 1950 ohm and 3.77k ohm simultaneously. So according to the procedure, so in this lab experiment I will be only showing the 950 ohm as the following procedure are the same for the next resistor value. So what we have to do is we have to insert the second wattmeter into line B and line C between them. So I will show you the circuit. So I have to rearrange the circuit accordingly and inserted the second wattmeter, which is here, and change the value of resistance to 950 ohm for the three of them, and now we'll run the code, run the project. So this is the voltage for AC, this is the voltage for AB, and this is voltage for BC. This is the current for IA, current for IB and IC. This is wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2. So according to the voltage side, we can see that there are no differences or minimal between them. So basically we have to say that 250.36 volt for the three of them, and the same could be said for current side, as they have the same, likewise same amount of value, 420 milliampere for the three of them, IA, IB and IC. Okay, regarding the power, 83.790 for both of them, wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2, and power factor of 0.86603. Okay, next we move on to the table for the next experiment data result for the next resistor value. So what we can deduce from this table is that there are no differences in voltage and current. As we can see from voltage AB to CA, the difference is so minimal. The same could be said for current IA, IB and IC for the regarding values of resistor of the given circuit. For the power factor, we can see that they have the same value of 0.86603 for the three different amount of resistor given, and the power is 83.790 watt for 950 ohm, 40.821 watt for 1.95 kilo ohm, and 3.77k ohm, 21.114 watt. Okay. Okay, so the conclusion for this lab experiment is that based on the data experiment that we have gathered, it shows that this circuit has the same voltage and current because the system is balanced, and it shows that the three-phase circuit example here did generate uniform power simultaneously or accordingly. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all from me.